at the request of Mr. Michael Benavente, we have my mom. And the reason she is here is she got her very first Caravelle. We want to hear about this Caravelle. Actually, Michael wanted to hear about this Caravelle.
I want to hear about this Caravelle.
And Joe and myself.
So this is a summer watch. I just am so in love with it. I can't even talk about how excited I am to have this. And how does this watch make me feel? The next question.
Yes.
This one makes me feel pretty.
And these are the stories. I mean, for, my whole career, I've been in the watch business, but it's all of these stories that every single watch, has a connection and a story. I think that's the best part about it.
Like and subscribe. The Spring Bar Pod. It's the Jack and Coke.